LeBron James once praised Diddy's legendary parties, but now that old clip is resurfacing, and it's causing him trouble. With Diddy's legal case exploding with disturbing revelations, it's not just the music mogul under scrutiny. A whole list of celebrities is being dragged into the mess, and word is, LeBron James is one of them. Some sources even claim that LeBron turned against Diddy in court. Is LeBron trying to protect his image? Or is there something bigger he's exposing? Let's break down the shocking connection between LeBron and Diddy. The story linking NBA superstar LeBron James to music mogul Sean Diddy Combs is gaining traction as new developments emerge. LeBron and Diddy have been publicly seen together for years, often appearing at high-profile events and parties and interacting on social media. While their exact relationship has never been fully clear, they've clearly shared mutual social circles in the sports and entertainment industries. One moment that's now haunting LeBron came from a 2020 Instagram live session, where he famously said, "Ain't no party like a Diddy party." At the time, the comment seemed harmless, but it has taken on a much darker meaning given the serious allegations Diddy now faces. There's also footage of LeBron and Diddy dancing together at a dinner party while listening to Migos, further linking them in the public eye. But things took a turn in May 2024. Even before Diddy's arrest, when rumors of legal trouble started circulating, LeBron quietly unfollowed Diddy on Instagram. Though subtle, this move was seen by many as a calculated effort to distance himself from the growing scandal. For those unaware, the allegations against Diddy are extremely serious. In September 2024, he was arrested in New York on federal charges including racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, and the transportation of individuals for prostitution. The claims include hosting freak-off parties involving forced acts, drugs, and violence, some dating back to 2008. According to court documents, these parties weren't just wild celebrity events. They were allegedly choreographed scenes involving substances like ketamine, ecstasy, and GHB to manipulate participants. During raids on Diddy's homes in Los Angeles and Miami in March 2024, authorities reportedly discovered over 1,000 bottles of baby oil, allegedly used in these events. Attorney Tony Busby, who represents over 100 accusers in civil suits against Diddy, said in a powerful statement,
"The day will come when we will name names other than Sean Combs," and there's a lot of names. It's a long list already.
That statement sent shockwaves through both Hollywood and the sports world, leaving many wondering who might be implicated next. So, how exactly is LeBron involved in all this? The main link between LeBron and these allegations comes from a civil lawsuit filed in April 2025 by a Florida man named Joseph Manzaro. He claims that LeBron was present at a 2015 party on Star Island, Miami, where Manzaro alleges he was drugged, trafficked, and sexually assaulted. LeBron's team has strongly denied the claim. A spokesperson said, "This is demonstrably false and doesn't even deserve a serious response." A simple search shows LeBron was with the Cleveland Cavaliers playing basketball throughout April 2015, not in Miami. Public records back this up, confirming LeBron was deep into the NBA season and preparing for the playoffs, making his presence at that party highly unlikely. LeBron's camp also addressed a fake photo circulating online that supposedly shows him dressed as a maid at a Diddy party. The image was quickly debunked due to obvious inconsistencies, such as a phone model that came out before LeBron got certain tattoos and missing reflections in mirrors, highlighting how easily misinformation spreads in high-profile scandals. Despite the denials and lack of solid proof, social media speculation hasn't stopped. In December 2024, LeBron's short absence from the Lakers stirred more rumors. He missed games against the Portland Trail Blazers and Minnesota Timberwolves, citing personal reasons and foot soreness. Lakers coach J.J. Redick confirmed the absence was approved but gave no further details, fueling more gossip. One post on X, formerly Twitter, claimed, "LeBron James, known to be close with Diddy, steps away from the Lakers for personal reasons during his worst season yet, struggling both on and off the court." LeBron James has faced mounting backlash for attending parties hosted by Diddy, especially at a time when his media company reportedly lost close to $30 million last year, with projections suggesting even greater losses ahead. another viral post hinted at a deeper connection, questioning, "Isn't it strange that LeBron, Diddy's best friend, stepped away from the Lakers for personal reasons just hours after 3 men accused Diddy of drugging them?" Despite the speculation, no reliable evidence has surfaced linking LeBron's absence from the team to Diddy's legal troubles. Shortly after, James returned to the court, reinforcing the idea that his time off was indeed for private or health-related matters, not due to any criminal entanglement. The timing may have seemed suspicious, but sources suggest it was purely coincidental. Possible reasons for his break could include family concerns, mental health needs, or behind-the-scenes negotiations, though none have been officially confirmed. Throughout the whirlwind of controversy, LeBron has noticeably avoided commenting on the disturbing accusations against Diddy. His silence hasn't gone unnoticed. Conservative commentator Candace Owens was quick to call him out, branding him a blatant hypocrite. She remarked, "It's amazing how quiet someone like LeBron James gets. He kneels for Black Lives Matter, claims to stand up for black people, yet when his friend was caught on camera abusing a black woman, he said absolutely nothing. And now more black individuals are speaking out about their abuse, and still, silence from LeBron." Former NBA player Kwame Brown echoed this sentiment, criticizing LeBron for dodging questions and remaining quiet, despite being outspoken on various social justice topics. The controversy even followed James to a game in November 2024 at Sophie Stadium, where a fan heckled him from the stands. "We know you were at those Diddy parties, Bron. You were there, we all know it." James didn't respond to the outburst, which many interpreted as yet another sign he wants to avoid any public association with the scandal. But things only seem to be escalating. The Diddy case has spiraled into a chaotic saga filled with startling accusations and unexpected developments, leaving the public wondering what's still hidden. As the investigation deepens, more testimonies and lawsuits surface, painting a grim picture. To understand where LeBron fits in, we must first grasp the scale of the charges against Diddy. Currently, he faces over 60 civil lawsuits alongside serious federal criminal charges. The number of allegations is overwhelming. Attorney Tony Busby, who represents more than 100 alleged victims, has been a central figure in these proceedings. One of the most pivotal cases involves Cassandra "Cassie" Ventura, Diddy's ex-girlfriend from 2007 to 2018. In November 2023, she filed a lawsuit accusing him of physical abuse and coercing her into drug-fueled sex parties with male escorts. Although that case was settled quickly, a 2016 hotel surveillance video, released later by CNN, appeared to show Diddy physically attacking Ventura in a hallway, supporting parts of her story. Cassie's claims opened the floodgates. Dozens of additional lawsuits soon followed, including one filed by Joseph Manzaro, which mentioned LeBron James. In May 2025, federal prosecutors officially launched a criminal case against Diddy, with Ventura playing a major role as a witness. Her court testimony detailed years of alleged manipulation, abuse, and disturbing sexual scenarios, offering the public and authorities a clearer, but darker, understanding of Diddy's alleged conduct. According to the lawsuit filed by Joseph Manzaro, LeBron James is allegedly linked to Diddy's suspected criminal activities. Manzaro claims he was drugged and taken to Star Island, Miami, where he was assaulted during a 2015 birthday party for Diddy's son, Christian Combs. He alleges that he was publicly humiliated, forced to wear a penis-shaped mask, and paraded in front of several celebrities, including LeBron James. Manzaro specifically claims that he saw James in a hallway wearing only a bath towel. James allegedly responded, "Y'all better do something about that," after Gloria Estefan expressed concern and called for an ambulance upon seeing Manzaro in distress. Manzaro believes this incident was part of a punishment for questioning Diddy's potential involvement in Tupac Shakur's murder during a FaceTime call. Initially, the lawsuit also named celebrities like Beyoncé, Jay-Z, Gloria Estefan, and Emilio Estefan. However, Beyoncé and Jay-Z were later removed after their legal teams proved they weren't in Miami during the alleged party. Jay-Z's attorney, Alex Spiro, confirmed he was in New York for a Tidal event, a claim supported by TMZ. Similarly, the Estefans denied any connection, stating they didn't host parties between 2012 and 2019, contradicting Manzaro's claims. Despite these removals, LeBron James remained named in the lawsuit. His representatives argue that he couldn't have been in Miami due to his NBA schedule with the Cleveland Cavaliers. This discrepancy has sparked speculation, with some wondering if there might be truth to Manzaro's claim, despite James's seemingly solid alibi. Diddy's legal team dismissed Manzaro's claims, calling them a money grab and a bid for attention. They stated, "No sane person reading this complaint could believe it," describing the lawsuit as an attempt to gain publicity. In addition to this lawsuit, other allegations have tried to connect LeBron to Diddy's misconduct. In December 2024, former WNBA player Cappie Pondexter claimed during an Instagram Live that LeBron trafficked her and stole her money. These claims were never backed by evidence and were not pursued legally. In another incident in January 2025, DJ Academics accused LeBron of cheating on his wife Savannah with help from rapper Drake. He claimed the two would go on two-man missions and that Drake would supply women. This accusation came during Academics' online rant, amid Drake's feud with Kendrick Lamar, possibly triggered by James attending a Kendrick Lamar concert where a diss track against Drake was performed. Academics later retracted his statements during a Twitch stream, admitting, "Everything I said was cap. This is not real," and apologized to LeBron. Importantly, none of these claims have been substantiated. In Diddy's criminal trial, which began in May 2025, LeBron James has not been named as a witness nor implicated in any crime. The trial focuses mainly on testimony from Cassie Ventura and other accusers. Key evidence includes a 2016 surveillance video showing Diddy assaulting Cassie, testimonies from male escorts, and statements from various anonymous accusers. LeBron James is notably absent from the confirmed witness list. Witnesses include Cassie Ventura, Daniel Phillip, a former stripper, Officer Israel Flores, who responded to the 2016 hotel incident, several anonymous women, and trauma expert Dr. Dawn Hughes. So, what's behind the rumor that LeBron James turned on Diddy in court? It seems to stem from online speculation, unverified gossip, and the public's obsession with celebrity scandals. The idea that a figure as prominent as LeBron might be involved is sensational and drives media engagement, even if it's not true. Major outlets like USA Today, CNN, and the New York Times have extensively covered Diddy's trial. None have reported that James testified or assisted prosecutors. His name appeared on a list of potential names during jury selection, which is standard practice in high-profile trials and not an indication of guilt or involvement. Let's break down what we know for sure. LeBron James and Diddy have had a long-standing public friendship. James was named in a civil lawsuit by Joseph Manzaro for allegedly being present during a 2015 party. James's representatives deny this, citing his NBA schedule. James unfollowed Diddy on social media in May 2024 before Diddy's arrest. James has not spoken publicly about Diddy's legal troubles, leading to criticism from figures like Candace Owens and Kwame Brown. There is no confirmed legal record of James testifying or providing any information in the criminal case. James's continued inclusion in the lawsuit raises questions about why his legal team hasn't secured his removal, as others did. Without access to the case files, we can't say whether that's due to legal complications or a lack of response. It's also important to recognize how much misinformation is swirling around this case. Edited images, fake quotes, and wild conspiracy theories have gone viral. One photo falsely showed LeBron dressed as a maid at a Diddy party. It was proven to be digitally altered, showing how fast fake news can spread. From a legal point of view, James's silence may be a smart move. Lawyers often advise public figures to avoid statements during high-profile cases to prevent misinterpretation. James has always maintained a clean image as a family man and philanthropist, so these allegations could severely harm his reputation, explaining his distance and silence. James unfollowing Diddy in May 2024 after CNN released footage of Diddy assaulting Cassie, but before the official arrest, might have been a strategic step to protect his public image, whether or not he had inside knowledge. Lastly, these allegations come during a cultural shift where public figures are being held accountable, especially since the rise of the #MeToo movement. but it's important to separate celebrity attendance at public events from actual knowledge or involvement in criminal behavior. In the end, while the allegations surrounding Diddy's legal troubles are serious and complex, there is currently no verified proof that LeBron James is directly involved or has testified against Diddy. The rumors connecting James appear to be based more on speculation, social media buzz, and his previous association with Diddy, rather than on actual legal evidence. His silence may be a strategic decision advised by legal experts. Until reliable court documents or trusted media sources confirm otherwise, it's important not to jump to conclusions based on viral claims or unverified accusations. What do you think? Is LeBron unfairly dragged into this, or is there more to the story? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you want more updates and deep dives into celebrity legal cases, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.